Hello my amazing viewers, as we delved into asaprocky returns to the stage via helicopter at Rolling Loud, California. Please subscribe to my channel. The atmosphere was electric as fans gathered at the iconic Rolling Loud California Festival, an event known for its high-energy performances and star-studded lineup. However, little did they know that one of the most anticipated moments of the weekend was about to unfold in a way that would be etched in their memories forever. As the crowd buzzed with excitement, a helicopter descended from the sky, a sight that sent waves of exhilaration through the audience. The doors of the helicopter swung open, and out stepped none other than asaprocky, ready to reclaim his throne on the stage. Asaprocky, born Rakim Mayers, has been a defining figure in the world of hip-hop since his debut album, Long Live ASAP, in 2013. Known for his unique blend of fashion, art, and music, Rocky's return to the stage was not just a performance, it was a cultural moment. After a series of personal challenges and a brief hiatus from touring, fans were eager to see him back in action. His unexpected entrance via helicopter was a symbolic gesture, representing not just a comeback, but a resurgence of his larger-than-life persona. As the helicopter blades whirred to a stop, the crowd erupted in cheers, their anticipation palpable. In an era where stage entrances often lack creativity, Rocky's helicopter arrival was a bold statement. It set the tone for what was to become a memorable set, reminding everyone that he was not just another artist but a true performer who understood the importance of spectacle in live music. Rocky took to the stage with his signature swagger, instantly captivating the audience. The setlist was a carefully curated mix of his greatest hits, including Praise the Lord, To Shine, $D, and Wild for the Night. Each song was met with thunderous applause, as fans sang along, their voices merging into a unified chorus of adoration. The energy in the crowd was infectious, creating a feedback loop of enthusiasm that fueled Rocky's performance, but it wasn't just the music that made the night unforgettable. Asaprocky brought his unique style to the stage, donning a striking outfit that showcased his prowess as a fashion icon. The combination of stunning visuals, elaborate stage design, and dynamic lighting created an immersive experience that transported the audience into Rocky's world. It was a reminder that his influence extends beyond music, he is a cultural phenomenon. Rocky's return to the stage was also significant in the context of the broader hip-hop landscape. Over the years, he has been a trailblazer, pushing the boundaries of what it means to be an artist in today's world. His collaborations with renowned designers and his ventures into the fashion industry have redefined the relationship between hip-hop and style. This performance at Rolling Loud not only solidified his status as a key player,